In this video, I will show you an easy way to make a chicken breast just using pan. We will start with the marination. 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is Kashmiri mirch, mainly for the color. Half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of spicy red chili, half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. I am adding a pinch of black salt, a pinch of black pepper powder and some lemon juice. Now before you add your chicken to this marination, you should pound your chicken. I will take a chicken breast. This step will help with the even cooking of your chicken. Try to keep it even from all sides. Follow the same step for all of the pieces. Now let your chicken sit in this marination for around 30 minutes. For a really amazing taste, let your chicken sit in this marination for few hours.
After 30 minutes,
keep your pan on medium-high heat and add some cooking oil. Spread this oil evenly and wait until this oil is hot. Keep moving your chicken so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan. Cover it to retain the moisture inside the chicken. After exactly 4 minutes, flip it on other side. Let's cover it again. After 4 more minutes, you can see the other side is cooked evenly. Let's cover it again and cook for 2 more minutes. Exactly after 10 minutes, this chicken is ready. You can see this chicken breast is cooked properly and it's really moist from inside. You can enjoy this chicken breast with the spicy green chutney, which you can check out in this video. Check out other chicken videos which I have shared on my channel. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.